Bonjour et bienvenue. Learn French with AT Khoj. AT Khoj, say more. So today we are going to learn the verb conjugation of RE. Did you remember? I told you the French verb ends with ER, IR and RE. Okay? And ER, IR conjugation we have already learned. Now we are going to get the conjugation of RE. So that is not very difficult that you can do. Here we go. So what the first verb we are supposed to do, like write the subjects, because again I would like to say that according to the subject you are going to modify or you are going to conjugate this verb. So for example, we are going to take this verb, and this first RE verb is there before you. Vendre. Vendre. Okay? It's to sell. Okay? Now, conjugate this verb for je. Here we have to replace RE with S. Okay, and again I supposed to remind you that at the end of any French word consonant never sound. Okay, so it will sound je vends. S will not sound. Je vends. Okay. Oh, very easy. You have to do the same with tu. Tu vends. Here also you have to do the same. RE will replace with S. Okay? Good. And il. That's quite easy, because there you don't have to replace anything. Only you have to remove RE. That was quite easy. Okay? So what we did? Just have a look over this. For the first one, je, RE will replace with S. For tu, RE will replace with S. And for il and il, there will not be any replacement. There only that RE will be removed. RE will be removed only. Okay? And for nous, vous and il and il, that is quite easy. Can you guess? Well, if you remember ER and IR, remember for nous, vous, il, what was that? For ER and ONS, EZ, ENT. Remember? Well, copy it and pasted it. Here you have to do the same. Like you have to replace RE with ONS for nous. So that will nous vendons, vous vendez, ils vendons, elles vendons. Understood? Okay, great. So I think this RE one you found it easy to conjugate and easy to keep in mind. So again, I supposed to make you revise. Yes, please have a look over here. Okay. Okay. So again, it's my duty to make you realize and to motivate you to revise it, learn it, practice it, because this is your first verb conjugation that you have learned with ER, IR and RE, and very important, because without it you will not be able to form the sentences. And I told you this is the first step of your journey towards to learn the French, or towards to make the sentences in French. Okay, so That's all for today. Over.